Welcome to 6887 Equality Boulevard, a beautifully designed townhome in the desirable Windward at Legacy community in Carmel, Indiana. Step inside to a bright and spacious living area, perfect for relaxing or hosting guests. Enjoy the convenience of an attached garage with additional driveway parking for family and visitors. A stylishly designed half bath on the main floor adds convenience for you and your guests. The upper-level landing offers a versatile common area ideal for a reading nook or small office space. The spacious master suite features a well-appointed en-suite bath, offering both comfort and privacy. An in-unit washer and dryer are included, making laundry days easy and efficient. A second full bathroom serves the additional bedrooms with modern style and function. A bright and inviting bedroom, perfect for family, guests, or a home office. Another comfortable and spacious bedroom to meet your needs. The cozy gas fireplace adds warmth and charm to the main living space. A sleek, modern kitchen comes fully equipped with all major appliances, ready for your favorite recipes. A conveniently located half bath on the main floor completes the layout. This home blends style, space, and convenience, all in one of Carmel's most sought-after communities.